how to play music while playing Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device, and once opened, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for Settings. So tap on the Settings option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Privacy and Content Restriction option you see there. You will then see the option for communication, so tap on the communication option you see there, and now in the interface that you will then be led to, you will see various options. Tap on the voice data and uses option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for voice data for product improvements, and simply toggle off the toggle button for voice data. Once disabled, go back and now go ahead and play any of the games there, and then open the music player app. Here, as you can see, I am playing a music right now, and now if I go back and play Roblox, then as you can see, the music pauses automatically as soon as I play the game. So go ahead and grab your headphones or earphones and then tap on the play or pause button on your headphones or earphones while playing the game, and with this the music will no longer pause while playing Roblox game on its own. So this was about how you can play music while playing Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.